A very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome back to your Morals online class. So today we will start new chapter in Morals, that is chapter number 4, School is our second home. In this chapter we will learn about the value of cleanliness. Okay, now all of you take out your morals book, open page number 1818, chapter number 4, School is our second home. So let's start the chapter. Miss Christie was a school teacher. She taught in Divine Glory High School. All children in the school were very fond of her as she was very loving and caring towards them. Who was Miss Christie? She was a school teacher and she taught in which school? In Divine Glory High School. All children in the school were very fond of her because she was very loving and caring towards them. Miss Christie was the class teacher of STD 3rd B. Some boys of STD 3rd B were very naughty. Miss Christie was the class teacher of which class? Of class 3rd B. Some boys of her class were very naughty. She was very upset with them because every morning as she would enter the class, she would find bits of papers, pieces of chalks and pencil shavings all over the place, making the class look extremely untidy. Okay, so Miss Christie was the class teacher of class 3rd and some boys of her class were very naughty and she was very upset with them because she finds bits of paper, pieces of chalks and pencil shaving all over the place when she enters the class. Now, Miss Christie wanted to teach a lesson to boys to make them realize their mistake and also teach them the value of cleanliness, but with love. Now Miss Christie wanted to teach them a lesson to realize their mistake. Now it was Monday morning. Which morning? Monday morning, the second period of the day, and children eagerly waiting for Miss Christie to teach them English. Why children eagerly waited for her? Because she was very loving and caring towards them. That's why. Now, her classes were interesting and always filled with joy. Whose classes? Miss Christie classes. Miss Christie entered the class singing a poem. Which poem? Okay, now Miss Christie entered the class singing a poem like this. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, makes the place untidy, pick them up. As she sang the song, she picked up the papers and pencil shavings lying on the floor, as you have seen in this picture. Children looked at her in amazement. What is the meaning of amazement? Amazement means a feeling of great surprise. So students of class 3rd B looked at her in amazement, means in great surprise. At first they thought that might be it is a part of English activity, but soon they realized what Miss Christie had to convey. Firstly, what they thought that might be it is a part of English activity, but soon they realized that what Miss Christie had to convey. The naughty children who always made the mess were ashamed and ran to Miss Christie to apologize. Okay, now what is the meaning of ashamed? Ashamed means feeling guilty. Now the naughty children who always made the mess were ashamed and they ran to Miss Christie to apologize. In the meantime, the whole class started cleaning and arranging the desks and benches. In a few minutes, the class was clean. As you have seen in this picture shows that how the whole class started cleaning and arranging the desks and benches. Now the boys apologized and promised that they will never ever untidy the class again and will always use a dustbin. The students of class 3rd B ran towards Miss Christie and they apologized, and they promised also that they will never ever untidy the class again and they will always use a dustbin. Miss Christie explained to the students that the school is our second home, where we all study and make friends. We all live like a family here. So, keeping the school clean like we keep our house clean is an individual duty. The children understood and always kept their promise. Now, Miss Christie explained to the students that the school is our second home, where we all study and make friends. We all live like a family here, means in school. So it's our duty to always keep our school clean like we keep our house clean in an individual duty. School is also known as second home because schools are the temple of knowledge and wisdom. School turn students into dynamic personalities of future leaders because school teaches the value of competitions. That's why school is our second home. That's why school is known as our second home. So Miss Christie was very happy as the classroom of 3rd B was very neat and clean from that day on. So it's our duty to always keep our school clean like we keep our house clean. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that cleanliness is next to godliness. The proverb cleanliness is next to godliness expresses the idea that those who are pure and wholesome are close to God. If you are clean, if you are pure, only then you are close to God. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that cleanliness is next to godliness. That's all for today. Hope you understand the chapter. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.